Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from Beta2 Limited coming to you with today's market report. Date today is the 9th of September 2015. As always, let me start by looking at equities. European equities were up for a third day in a row this morning on back of positive sentiment, particularly in China and also global economy. FTSE 100 is also up, together with Asian shares. In fact, in Japan, Nikkei 225 had its biggest gain since 2008, jumping 7.7%. We also saw US equities open yesterday after Labor Day holiday on Monday, and they were up around 2% overall. The reason for the bullishness in equities is basically A, markets expecting the Chinese turmoil to be contained by the Central Bank of China, and B, they're also expecting potentially further stimulus coming out of China. Now, we had a data a couple of days ago in China which showed that imports shrank to its lowest level and were down for 10th straight month, which increased the speculation that People's Bank of China may do further stimulus to boost growth in China. So back of that, we are seeing equities up. How has this impacted currencies? Well, with equities up, we are seeing high-yielding currencies up as well. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar both gaining this morning. Weakest currencies are dollar and yen, yen being the weakest, followed by the US dollar, and we're seeing pound, euro, Swiss franc sort of fairly neutral. Now, looking at today, we've got a few data which may cause a bit of volatility in the FX arena together with equities. We've got the UK production report coming out at 9:30. We also have Bank of Canada announcing their interest rate decision, followed by the monetary policy statement at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And we also have key labour data coming out in Australia overnight. Close to home, tomorrow will be key. We've got the Bank of England interest rate decision tomorrow, followed by the monetary policy statement. But we also have the minutes of the meeting coming out tomorrow at midday. That could obviously impact the pound and the FTSE 100. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening in.